How to fix Skype video call not working fix. So if you want to fix your Skype video call not working, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Now once you open up your settings, you need to go with the privacy and security option, which is on the bottom left. Under your privacy and security, you need to scroll down and go with app permissions, and under app permissions, you need to go with camera. Now once you're here on the camera, you need to scroll down and find the Skype. Here you will have your Skype, and make sure that you turn on the camera for Skype, because if you have not turned on, then you won't allow the video call. So make sure that it is turned on. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with the next step, which is you need to open up your Microsoft Store. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, you need to search for Skype. And once you search for Skype, you'll have the Skype application right here. Now, if you have any updates under your Skype application, you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Here on the right side, you can see that you will have an update. So just click on update and make sure to update your Skype. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to go with apps section, which is on the left side. And under apps, you need to go with installed apps. And under your installed apps, you will have Skype. So if you don't find Skype, you just need to simply search for it. Once you search for it, now here you will have the application. So you just need to simply go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with the advanced options. Under advanced options, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of repair. Click on repair, and then click on reset. And once you've done this, then your problem might be fixed. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go ahead, uninstall the application, and again install it, and just restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.